This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 71 of Building Optimus Prime, the leader of the transforming Autobots. Looking at Cade Yeager, Wahlberg, obviously playing him. Quite enjoyed that. Yeah, quite enjoyed him as a Autobot sidekick. Space Truckers, another truck as well as Optimus Prime. Flywheels and Skytread. Nope, no memory of those at all. Components of Duocon. Megatron Reborn. And green, evil colours, blue and red, nice hero colours. That's the way it seems to be. Screen Demolisher. I know some of those. Not all of them. The left arm, part 8. This is the final part of the left arm, but it's not really the final part of the left arm. The rest of this pack is not doing the arm anymore. So this is finishing this bit. And then we move on to the foot a little bit. So yes, this is the upper arm armour. With pins and things, as well as lots of screws. So lots of building to do on this one. Bits to put together. And then put that on the arm, and then put the arm away for a little while. There's still extra bits that we haven't got done yet. I don't know why we're drifting off and starting on the other foot, but anyway, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get to it. Right, I am prepared with extra tools for the things. So we've got to start off putting these bits together. That just pops into there. And yeah, the painting matches up quite well. Goes on there, and then this goes into the inside. That way round, yeah. But that is not pinned, that is screwed in place with 2 IP screws, not those ones. Not those ones. Those ones. There we go. Pull those out. Pull those out and put one back. Going into those 2 screw holes. Nice and easy. The more detailed and complicated bit is coming up next. First of all, we've got to get this together like that. There we go. Cool. Put that aside for the next bit. The next bit is these tiny little bits. We've got to make up 2 of these little hingy bracket places. That way round. That's the outside. That's the inside. Curve around that way. So that pops in there like that. Shiny side is the bit that we're dealing with. Same on these ones. That way, that way, that way. That's like that. And then we need the tiny pins to go through there. We've got 3. We're going to be needing 2 of them. This is why I've got the pliers ready. This needs to go through there. Then it will go through the middle bit. Ping off. Won't ping farther. Make sure it's lined up properly first. That seems to be lined up. That one did, but we'll try again. Go through there. And it should go through the middle bit. For some reason, that's not lining up with the middle bit. Wiggling and twisting and manipulating is the way to go. There we go. There's that one through there. Do the same with the other one. I'm sure it'll work just as well again this time. Wiggling and manipulating. It's good that it's a tight fit, but it shouldn't be, you know, ridiculously tight. There we go. So that goes through there like so. These have got a correct side because there's hollow pieces. They go together like that. And then that goes into this. No, this. That way round. Then we've got the even funner bit. One goes in that side, and that one goes in that side. And we've got the big bar to get through all of that. Going to be really easy. Let's see. Go through the outside of that, then through the middle bit of that, then through the other side of that, and then through the whole thing again on the other bit. Fine and fiddly. What I'm going to do is take off that side. Just worry about the first side first. I think that's there. No, it's not there. That should be there, I think. Before I get it through there, just make sure, yeah, I'd have got it the correct way round. Try that again. Yeah, there we go. So that's that through there. Let's then get that one lined up. See? Oh, I've gone through too far. It begins that bar through that gap. Take that back out again. Partially. More than that, though. Didn't realise it had gone in quite that far. Not coming out. Right. I don't want to pull it all the way out because that would be a pain. Right, let me work on getting that on there and then that in there. Then I'll come back and show you the next step. Right, there we go. That wasn't actually too bad. Got that out, got that back in through both of them now. So that's as that should be. Then with that way round, we've got that to put on there with the long side down. 2 pins locate into there. Locate in there quite as well as I hoped. Just got to go in there. One in there first. There we go. Second one lined up as well. Nope, first one's come out again. Fiddly and not terribly lined up. Or is terribly lined up, and that's the problem. There we go. At least that's not going anywhere. So that's that. Then we need to add a single screw, which is one of these QM. QM screw. goes through this to hold that onto there. With that way round, that goes that way round with that going through there. That over the end, lined up. Go in there. Do that. Cool. Then we need to attach that to that, and that's going to be using the other screw we hadn't used, the AM. Back in there. No, first of all, this goes onto there. All right, so those need to go into there. Another bit that's articulated almost for the sake of it. That's got to go on there. Like that. Okay, so I have actually got multiple points of articulation on that bit for no real apparent reason. Strange. So then the AM screw holds this onto there, through at the top. With it that way round. We're going through that hole there. Get that out as far as it'll go. We'll go in there like that. And the screw will go in from the other side and hold that together. Here we go. Then we've got that has a few different points of articulation across there for some reason. And that is another bit done. A little bit of wobble to it. I think I might need to tighten that screw up a little bit more. Difficult grabbing it and getting into it though, but there we go. That's not tightening any more than that. A little bit of wobble, but that's okay. There we have it. The arm now looks much better. So that's it for the arm actually. Next time I think we're starting on the foot for the other side. Although we still need obviously bits to add on the whole inside of that, outside of that rather. And something down here. But for now, that is another arm completed. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.